Dion Hoto zakususa le corner kick. Dlala ibhola ehamba phansi. Ngasemva bethi Orlando Pirates. Wow! Into ebuhlungu. Abelakana abazanga kumpi uTape. Umuremi evele apha engabonakalanga khona. Goal number 11 kwimidlalo ye-league. Wow! uDion Hoto iOrlando Pirates iyacaca uba ezinye izinto bayaziprektisa. I-short corner kick iyokudifenda ngasemva i-TS Galaxy wavela engxamile umfana Seval wavele wakhulula amahashe akhe wabetha into esikinca wayibeka epalini kanye. Ayikho idefense bakude abafana be-TS Galaxy waluma ngezantsi wagqiba uLiremi ngenqina lasekhohlo. Ndifuna ukuthi uMuremi wabetha into ebuhlungu wathi uyivala lo bhola uTape Ira uve ngezihlwele ze-Orlando Pirates emva kwakhe kodwa mntu wenkosi konakele umnyatha uyancangcazela phambi kokuba kuphela isiqingatha sokuqala. Orlando Pirates ehamba phambili ngamanqaku amabini eqandeni. 2-0 Ray, first half.
But one he is yet to win is the league title. Mbutuma takes it down beautifully. Can he go all the way? Maybe lay it off for Moremi second. He gives it back to Mbutuma. And he's blocked by Silva. And then it's gone into the back of the net in the strangest way possible. It's a freak show. TS Galaxy are crumbling at the seam. Orlando Pirates had a number of opportunities to pull the trigger in the box, only for the ball to land up in Iratape's net in the most strangest way possible. When it rains, it pours. And Orlando Pirates are going big today. Those Mamelodi Sundowns supporters not liking what they are seeing. And this is how it happened. It's a speechless moment. Bunjana passing the ball to his goalkeeper, who was already long down, long out. It's not every day that you see something like that. And it's a self-inflicted wound.
Kodwa ihluthwe kabuhlungu lapho la Orlando Pirates khawuleza yaqinisa bayihlaba lo bhola kwaPolice. aPolice yakwenqanda kahle ibhola ngene eboxini. Oswin wapasa ibhola eOswin. Orlando Pirates ithuba yadaba umnatheni. Mane ngoku Mufukeng kubani ozamnqanda kubani onothi kuye kwanele mntana ndini yini. Ingaba ngawona amanqaku esawabona kwiBetway Premiership namhlanje lana amanitsi afakweyo. Mane amanqaku ku-Orlando Pirates 4-0. Really Mufukeng ya kunzinyana khumbula baba bukhuphile uDe Jong oqala kwesiqingatha sesibini. Bathi mntanami masukubalekise sikusindise De Jong kuba kakade unamakhadi amthubi amathathu. 3 yellow cards De Jong ithi suphumza ungasiqala isiqingatha sesibini. Mufukeng wadlula ngokulula wathembisa kwindoda ebimlindile imjongile ye-TS Galaxy wakhupha nje umlenze wathi ogqiba wathi ndidlulile kuwo.
Nentajela, acres of space on that side. Massive opportunity here. Can he score against his former team? You bet he can. Kamogelo Sibilibili makes it 5-0 to Orlando Pirates. It is getting brutal. The manner in which they have played today oozes title challenger mentality. And they are far from over. And of course, Sibilibili was going to come back and going to score against TS Galaxy. Just to make matters even more sour for Adnan Beganovic and Bernard Parker. He had that injury this season that sidelined him for quite some time, but since he's been back, Sibilibili has been rocking. Great spot from Nemtajela. Dlamini lost his man and Sibilibili finished it off emphatically. That's how you do it.
Orlando Pirates ngabiza kuthatha amanqaku amathandathu onke. Nazi ibhola ehle Pirates, Mufukeng. Wayicenga le ibhola. Waqoqa bethu Mufukeng. Wayibeka emlatheni. Hat-trick yokuqala kaRili Mufukeng kule season simbone ekokuqala ekora ibhola ngenhloko, ngoku sibona efaka i-hat-trick yakhe. Izinto uyazenza kule season uRili Mufukeng. Ukuba itawuli ibiphoswa kumdlalo webhola ekhatywayo bekumele uba iyaphoswa ngoku. Wahlala phansi uAdnan wathi madoda kumaphela emqaleni andisazi ngoku mathandathu bapolisha nezihlangu zakhe ngoku uRili. iPresident yama 2K faka amanqaku mathathu kumdlalo omnye. Oh, ihlabile lapho lo wapolisi eyihlabela uRili watogqika wayicenga uRili. UNozithe beseyibambile la bhola, ebeyibambile uTape Ira la bhola ukuthi imoshakele xa bekutheni nayiphuma ezandleni ngesike wayixhimfa yena. Mufukeng watogqiba wayibetha ngomphakathi wenyawo, wayibetha kwipali ibikude, wenyuka uNozithe yadibana nayo ibhola yabekwa emnatheni. Aqala amabhakani ehleli phansi athi hayi siyangqina nathi besikhona. Hat-trick